world map zoom animation in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's teach you how you will be able to do this effect here where we have your world map and then it will zoom to a specific country. So it's very simple. First things first, you're going to search world map over here on your graphics or elements, then click on photos. You could even look at graphics if you prefer. We're going to go with photos over here and select the map that you prefer, something like this maybe, and fit it to your screen. After that, you're going to duplicate your page. Then you're going to select a specific country that you want to zoom to. So over here, or previously I chose Japan as an example. So over here, let's try Australia. There we go. Let's go with graphics, and you should be able to see here outline. So we could use this maybe. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom out, and we're going to zoom our image over here to fit our graphics over here on our screen. Then we're going to enlarge this as well. Bigger over here. Now let's just match our size here if we can. And if it's not possible, we could just overlap it. Now here you can just put any text that you want, any information that you want. But over here, you're going to click on the add transition, and we're going to click on add match and move. Then you can add some duration over here on how long the animation would be. Over here, so let's say we have this. So if you click on play, it should zoom into our country over here. You could modify how this would pop up. So let's say we just have pop over here. So if you do this now, there will be a pop effect, or should be a pop effect. But that's basically it, guys. So if you want to be able to do the same things that we're doing over here, make sure that you check out the link in the description below to be able to try out Canva Pro for free and play around with Canva just like what we're doing here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.